This is Gingy. Gingy. No. This is me and Gingy. Gingy, hello. Oh, look at you. You stink so bad right now. You stink. Oh, there's my other dog, Daisy. No, shh. No, shh. No, shh. 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 No, shh. Ah! Gosh. Here's my other duck, Daisy. Daisy is way better than Ginger, by the way. Ginger pees everywhere. She pees everywhere. Like, when I mean everywhere, everywhere. When we were on vacation in Georgia, Daisy too. They had diarrhea all over this room and the living room. Smelled like crap. No, I'm just kidding. But before we got home, thankfully we had a carpet cleaning service thing. Clean our carpets. So it was good. Just glad they didn't crap on my bed, because if they crapped on my bed, ooh, they would get a beating. And yeah, I'll see you peeps